Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial we will know how to create such complex model in SketchUp. So guys, first you have to draw a rectangle here. This is 9" by 9" rectangle. Okay. Then here you have to take offset by pressing F. Now guys, you have to make it in a component. Okay. Now you have to press M and Control to copy and then type X20 for 20 number of copy. Okay. Same you have to do with all selected component in this direction with X20 for our 20 number of copy. Okay. Now guys, you have to draw a rectangle over here and you have to make it in a component. So just click on a component option and you have to type capital A letter on both option and set the axis at the center. Okay. Now here have to select this rectangle and move it in a upward direction, little bit upward direction. Okay, now you have to change the axis of this rectangle at the center. So just here I am placing the axis at the center of this rectangle. Okay, you have to press yes, and now you have to select the entire model, and here we will use the scale by tool plugin and follow the same instruction, the settings over here. Okay, now here you can see that all the component are uniformly scaled from a small to big one, following the rectangle at the midst of this setting. So here I'm drawing a rectangle. Now you have to select the entire rectangle and explode it. Okay, just right click and click over explode option. Now your model exploded and puncture are created over the surface. Now here we will use push pull tool. Okay, to make some thickness of this model. So select the model, then you have to click over here, joint push pull option. And here I am making thickness 2 inches. Okay, just type 2 and then enter. Guys, now you have to rotate it just like that at the angle of 90-degree vertical. Then here you have to draw a rectangle. And here we will use a curved line. Just type A to create an arc line at this point. And you have to draw a single line just parallel to this. Now guys, here we will use save vendor plugin. So first select model, then click a straight line, then a curved line. Okay. Now your model are bent perfectly over here. Now another option is to use a vertex tool to make your model looking something like in an image. Okay, so follow the same instruction. Just select one vertices and move it in a upward direction following this string. So this method are very easy to create such kind of building facade very easily using some paid or free plugins. So GHS Power Bar plugin are free and Vertex tool are paid. You can try at the trial basis this plugin. So if you really like, please follow, share and subscribe. See you next tutorial guys. Thank you.